Hello, I'm going to talk to you about refraction and demonstrate the principle of refraction of light. Here I have a diagram showing an incident beam coming up to a surface, going from one medium with an index n1 into a second medium with an index n2. The index of refraction has to do with the speed of light in that particular medium. So light comes up at one speed and passes through a surface and immediately changes speed and undergoes a change in direction. We call that refraction. Now the equation for that is referred to as Snells Law. That has to do with the index of refraction on the incident side and the angle on the incident side, the index of refraction on the side that the light passes from the surface into that next medium, and the angle of refraction as the light passes. And we measure these angles with respect to a perpendicular line to the surface called a normal line. Next, what I'd like to do is refer to this diagram again here. We see a light beam comes up, incident to this surface, and when it slows down, if it goes from a low-density medium to a high-density medium, it slows down. It's going to bend toward the normal line when it slows down. Similarly, if a light beam were traveling in the opposite direction, going from a slow medium, where it propagates at a slow speed, to where it speeds up, it'll bend away from the normal line. So light bends toward the normal line when it slows down, bends away from the normal line when it speeds up. To demonstrate that, I'm going to use this system of Blackboard optics. I have a piece of plastic here and a light beam. And for better contrast, I'm going to turn the lights down and let that light enter this block of plastic. And we notice that as light enters the plastic, it bends toward the normal line when it goes from air into plastic, and it bends away from the normal line as it exits back into the air again. Showing the refraction of light. If you look closely, you might even see some reflection taking place. But we're going to focus on the refraction here. The light beam comes up, enters the plastic, and bends abruptly at the surface as it changes speed. The refraction of light.